Hello, welcome to our channel, ZETSAW. I'd like to introduce you the reciprocating saw blade woodworking R-150 today. This is now on sale. This saw blade is short, so it doesn't flutter so much. We can aim where we want to cut. Pitches are fine, so it's smooth to cut. And it also has a round foreblade for pocket cutting, so we can do opening work without any prepared holes. You can use this blade even in narrow spaces where materials are deep inside the object to be cut. You can cut woods where circular saws can't reach down. Thanks to the fine pitches, I felt it was easy for me to use this blade to cut smoothly. Alright, I introduced you Woodworking R-150. This is now on sale, so please use this blade and think about buying it. The blade length for woodworking has three kinds: new blade R-150, R-210, and R-300. Please use these blades according to your usage. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.